I wasn't going to film this, but do you know what? Why not? I'm doing a cat page. Oh, I know. It has to be done at some point. I've got so many pictures and bits. So I thought, you know, let's put some in. And I thought, oh, I'll just do this, you know, Sunday afternoon. I'll just sit here and do a page. Then I thought, oh, you're going to miss it. So I decided to do it with you. So, you know what it's like. You can't really do anything without turning the camera on when you're a YouTuber. It's like, oh, this would be a good video. Well, I don't know if it'll be a good video, so let's see, shall we? Let's see. So I have a lot of cat images, and they weren't actually in my junk, but they were in my stash, and they've been there for so long, guys. You know, and you just keep them and keep them. Oh, come on. And people have sent me some gorgeous cat images as well. So it's like, do you know what? Let's put them somewhere where I can have a look at them. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to pop these down, and I've got more here. So I want to cover the sort of, you know, the yucky bit that I don't like. Basically, trashy junk journals is just covering up the pages you made the junk journal from. Now, I don't know if this is going to stick on this shiny paper. We will see. So I've got some paw prints and hearts. Pretty little cat. And I'm going to make a pocket. And I'm thinking, I've just got this old file foldery bit. And that I got from Jovi. Oh, how long ago, Jovi? Just so long. So, you know, it's time to actually use my stash. So, this trashy journal isn't just about using all my sort of junk. It's about using my stash up. And I'll keep this, and I'll be able to look at it, and it'll be so much nicer than being stuck in a drawer. Now I know I'm not going to get much in there, but I do have this little tag that was in a kit that when I was doing the design team for Happiness in Crafting, this was one of the kits that I did. Obviously I chose a cat one, so I'm going to pop that in there. Now I have got some photos of Snowbell, but I decided not to. But I do want to put in the Dreamies. I know, you know, it's got to be done. And I did find this that I'd made, and I'm thinking if I could somehow attach that. Or I could put it on there. That would still shut. I could put that down that edge. The only thing I think that will stick this is double-sided tape. So I may put that on with that. But I've got, now it's a test for you. See how many of these you can name. Obviously not that one, because that's just a cat. So I have a collection, right? So I can hear you all shouting, Garfield, Puss, Top Cat. How many of you are singing that theme tune right now? I did. Grumpy Cat. Puss in Boots. And Sylvester. And Tweety Pie. I thought I saw a puddy cat. So I've got all those that I want to put in, but I don't know where I'm going to put them because I don't think I've got enough room. I may be going on to another page. So I might pop some of them. You might have to go over 2 pages like this. And I don't know how to get all these on. I could put Garfield on there or Bagpuss on there. He'd be he'd be cute on there, wouldn't he? When I was looking through my stash and of cat stuff, because I have a folder. In fact, I have 2 folders full of cat bits, and I was like, that one, and I'm like, and it reminded me because I mean this is what I grew up with, really, and I love that. Right, now how are you going to do this? Are you going to jump into that sort of pocket like that? Can I have him doing that? If I cut there, well, you know, cut. Yeah, and I bet you've still got that Top Cat theme tune in your head. Sorry, you're going to have that all day now. It's going to be like a little earworm in your head all day. Oh. Yeah, so sorry, not sorry. I'm going to come down and he's going to go in there like that. I don't know why I did all the feet, but I just thought, you know, why not? Okay. Let's just dry that inside before I go any further. Of course, it's not even glued down yet. Look, where's the pegs? Turn you round to find the pegs. I think I can do one side. I think it moved. Can't do that bit there. I'll have to hold that. Yeah. Yeah, it just reminded me of, you know, fun times. Oh, I could put some on the outside of here. It looks quite cool on there. But then so does he. Need to get rid of the writing. Need to get rid of the writing behind. Gel print. Sort of. Let's have a look. I can't even craft now without thinking I should be doing a video about this. It's because I'm a bit more relaxed now and I'm at home, which is quite nice. Right, who's going to go on here? I think he just fits perfectly. So we're going to put him on. Let me just glue him on. It's just magazine, so it should glue quite nicely. And the gel print is on like a really thin tissuey type of paper. So it should be fine. There he is. Like Puss in Boots. Right, should we do the same on this side? Should we cover it up? I can put this on here. It is an actual tag. I made an actual tag, but I don't know. I'll put that back in there now. I don't know where I'm putting Garfield. Grumpy cat. Grumpy cat. Oh no, I'm putting my dreamies. I want my dreamies on there, don't I? Put them there. I don't know how this is going to stick. I mean, I could just have his head. I could have Grumpy Cat's head coming out the top. That'd be funny. Grumpy. Snowbell when she doesn't get her treats. Grumpy. See, he'd be perfect down there. He will fit on there. I'll put him on there. Right, let's see if I can get this down. Let me glue Grumpy Cat down. And he went right to the very top, didn't he? Right, where did I put my... I've got this. It's like extra thick. I've cleaned that out. I've got a little baby wipe and shoved my fingers in as much as I could. Oh, here she comes. Oh, she heard the rattling of the packet. There's nothing in it. She's ate them all. I think that's the only thing that's going to stick this plastic down. Oh, this is just fun. I am so loving this trashy book. I should call it my stash book, not my trashy book. Oh, can't find the corner. Because I'm using up my stash. Oh, not quite straight, but it's down. Oops. It's down. Now, I was going to put this down this side, wasn't I? I could put that down there. Because this still folds. Yep. We'll use, fabric. I put it on fabric. Fancy that. I have to use a bit of fabric tack. At least it won't come up. I won't go right close to the edge. We'll go over that a bit. There we go. I can make a band. What is it? No, it's not a cluster, is it? What's it called? I had this problem the other day. I couldn't remember. Snippet roll. Only it's not a roll. Maybe it's a snippet. So all we need to do is put something on there to cover it up. And then pop on my little TC. Or he could be a... No, I'm going to put him on there. I've got enough. I got enough. Now, do I want to put some more of that on? Or do I just want to see what else I've got? Little magazine came through the door. Don't think there's anything I can use in there. Nope, I quite like that. But there's nothing to do with cats, so we can't have that. We can't have that. Nothing to do with cats at all. Right, I've dug in me box of scraps, and I've got some paper. I'm just going to cover it with that. That'll work. Very colourful, this one, isn't it? That'll work. I think I might need to use this glue though, because this is... Right, let us put on our guy, he can cover up the fold like there. Glue them little bits down, as I know I didn't glue enough there. And him on. This has been super fun. Guys, if you haven't started a trash journal yet, start one. Honestly, so much fun. You won't regret it. You won't. Okay, now we've still got Garfield. I think we'll just pop him here, shall we? I might find some more that I need to add. There are a few, aren't there? There's more. Is that bending your tail? It is, isn't it? Let me move you over. Holding hands. I could put Tweety Pie on, but I don't think I need to. I am loving it. I'm going to take that off. That should be stuck by now. And do you know what? I think this will fit really nicely into my pocket. Which is closed on itself, like it does. Does it fit? Because then I might be able to fit the other one into the other pocket. Oh, it doesn't. Let's just trim it. Let's trim it using the big scissors, because I might get a better line. Doesn't matter, does it? We just cut it a bit thinner. There we go. And I think this one, if I cut this one down, oh, I might not need to cut it. There we go. So I've got some journaling space on the back of there as well. And there we go. Now, I am loving it. Loving it. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know your favourite cartoon cat from when you were growing up. Bye for now, guys.